Alright guys, Plush King 101 here, and I have another package, so, damn it, I'm gonna open it. Alright, boom, look at that, Balloon Boy 8-bit figure. So I ordered this because this is an exclusive one, and I wanted to collect them all. So that's it. Stay tuned for the next unboxing, which should be soon. And bye bye, guys. Alright, so this package just came like a little bit later after that second one. So I'm gonna open this. Alright, so it's some Christmas wrapping. Okay. Alright. And I need to untie this. Alright. So let us see. Hopefully it's the one I wanted. Yes! Finally I'm done. Shadow Freddy, baby.